Hello and welcome. My name is Fabio, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get more views on TikTok. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. Tell me where you're from, where you're up to, or just your thoughts about this video. All right, so how do you get more views on TikTok? Guaranteed this, if you follow these tips and these things that I'm going to share with you, you're going to do very well. So the first thing, it's consistency. You got to have consistency with your TikTok videos. So you see, you have to have a plan of action and do TikToks. Let's say at least every single day, one TikTok, and you have to keep the consistency there. Okay, you cannot just do videos and then stop and then do it again and then stop for a while and then do it again. That will not work. If you want to get more views, you have to keep the consistency and just keep at it without ever stopping. Next is you got to work on goals and not on the outcome. Like if it is to make money, for instance, online, you don't want to be, doing whatever you're doing on TikTok and thinking that is to make, for instance, the outcome goals, the outcome, which is to make money or to attract more people. No, what you have to do is you have to base your action on goals. So what I mean by that is you need to have like a process in place that let's say your process is, okay, I'm going to put 3 videos per day. And it's going to be just on this topic, for instance, make money online. I'm going to do videos just on that. And that's your goal. And your goal also should be, you have a system in place where you know how you're going to do the videos, how you're going to get the content. So you have a plan of action and you're working towards goals. So your goal is to make 3 videos per day. And that's your goal. That's what you work for. You work to achieve your goals. You don't work to make money online, because this is mindset as well. In order to get what you want, you have to work on the cause and not on the effect, right? So you really have to, your goal should be so you have a goal, which is make 3 videos per day to help other people out. That's your goal. And then by helping people, the effect of that will be you are making more money. You're building a brand. People are clicking your links in the bio and they're taking action, and you're making money because you're working on your goals. You show up every single day. And when I say 3 videos per day, it could be 3 videos per day. It could be also, you could do one live per day, or one live every week, or every 3 days you do a live on TikTok. You want to work towards goals. Okay, that's very important if you want to get more views on TikTok. It's all about working on the process, right? What is your process? Okay, you need to really define that. What process are you using to build your videos and work on the process? Okay, and provide value. Providing value, it's very important because people are on TikTok. They either want to laugh, have fun, they're curious, or they're looking to learn a skill, and if you teach them that, then they will stick to the video. Because the thing is, it's better to not achieve your short-term goals and achieve your long-term goals. And that's what I'm talking about here. You see, you don't want to go out there and just focus on the short-term goals. You actually want to have a plan of action long-term. So yeah, so for instance, if you're going to do videos on TikTok, you don't want to think like, okay, I'm going to be doing videos for 1 month and see how it goes. It's not a good idea. You want to, plan a year. I'm going to do videos every single day. I'm going to put out 2-3 videos per day. I'm going to be relentless, and I'm never going to fail one time. And I'm going to do it no matter what. I'm going to be providing value to people. to make them laugh or to give them what they want. Also, this point very important. You have to give your audience what they want. It's not just building content on what you want. You can build on what you want depending on your niche, right? For instance, if you're in a niche of self-development or spirituality, where you're connecting with yourself and then you're doing videos from within yourself, okay, that makes sense that you do videos that like this way. Now, if you're, for instance, teaching people how to make money, you need to find their pain points. You need to know their struggles. You need to know their questions, their desires, their struggles. You need to know what their goals are, their dreams. So you need to know these things and then focus your content based on that. That's how you're going to make a better connection with your audience and actually have people take action on what you have to offer, because they feel that you understand them. And sometimes it's not just views, it's also the connection you make with your audience. It's best to have less views and a better connection with your audience than have loads of views just for the sake of numbers, but have no connection with your audience. Also, a really good thing to do is document your failures and your wins throughout the journey of your TikTok account. That way you could share your struggles, you can share what you've learned along the way doing TikToks, and people love this type of content if you could do that, because you're sharing with them stories, your real stories. And people love stories, by the way, and stories sell, right? So, and story connect with us more on a deeper level, so we could say a story on a video. It really makes an impact because people can see and they can relate. The more people can relate to you, the better. It's very important to really tap into your audience and feel and see what, depending on the type of content you do, you want to be seeing what works as well. Very important. You want to be seeing the type of content that gets the most views, the most engagement, and the ones that do really well is kind of the ones that people actually want. So you want to focus more on those. So you have always to be analyzing your content and also trying different branches of content, not just focus on one. You need to try different ones to see which ones get the most engagement and views. Also, if you don't have content ideas, you could also share with people the little stories that happen throughout your day. So if you went to the store and you had a conversation with somebody, you could share that on your video. That makes a story and people get engaged because people love stories and they love to know real stories. And you can, these stories, you can just connect with these stories with what you are doing with your whatever plan you have. Maybe if it's to help people make money online or whatever it is, you can, put these stories together and make a new story related to that story that happened to you that day. Because marketing, it's storytelling. The more you can tell stories to your audience, the more connection you're going to make with them and the better impact you're going to make in them. And note that the more connection you make with your audience, the more they're going to be watching your videos, the more you're going to grow. And it's just a win-win situation for everybody. So, you could be documenting your day and then just grab the most interesting things and share stories based on that. Also, you got to be okay with implementing and doing the videos imperfectly. So don't strive to be perfect. Just go and do it. Just perfection, it's not your friend. It's better to do a lot imperfect and then learn from it than just trying to do it very perfectly and struggling because you try to come up with perfectly stuff and then it's gonna block you. So imperfect is better than nothing. Another very important thing, make people feel like you understand them. This is so powerful. If you can grasp into that, it can really change your game forever. If people can sense that you understand them, and I mean not just on TikTok, but everywhere, everything you do, on your emails, on your marketing, your videos. If they really care that you care about them and that you understand them, it's going to make a big impact. And if you're looking to get more views on TikTok, you want to make connection with people. They will return to you and they will keep watching you because they feel that you understand them. Another very important thing is be consistent with your messaging. You need to really pick what is it that you're going to focus on your TikTok account, and you need to be consistent with your message so people know that when they see you, they already kind of know what they're going to get. Therefore, they're going to subscribe to you and they're going to keep getting this type of content. So you want to decide what kind of content you're going to focus on and just focus on that. Don't just be all over. Just don't talk about different subjects from different things, or else people are going to just not follow you because they don't know exactly what you're all about. And also, the structure of your content, have it be the same or similar to most of your videos. That really helps. When doing content, you could build up a formula where you use that formula every time. So for instance, to make money online, you could be using a formula that goes like this. First, you find out what your target audience really wants, and you come up with a headline that gets their attention. Step 2, find out what problem do they face and talk about that problem. Step 3, you can be questioning the questions that they have. If they have any questions, you could be answering those questions to them. And step 4, you could talk about the struggles that they have, the roadblocks that they go through in life. And that right there is a formula that you can follow every time, and then you come up with different videos and you're talking to their pain points, to their desires, and just, especially their pain points where they're at, so that you can address them better. Here on my YouTube, I have a couple of videos with formulas for TikTok, and I have a couple of formulas you can follow. And to do content based on your audience, you really need to find out the avatar of somebody that is your perfect audience, so that you know who you're talking to. You need to know like their age, what they're struggling, their desires, all this stuff. This is very important. You do this. Find out who is your perfect audience. Find out everything so that when you do TikToks, you know exactly, you talk exactly to their desires, their pain points, their struggles, and that will get you, better attention in your videos, and also help you connect on a deeper level with your audience. Also, if you run out of ideas to make TikTok videos, you could also go into other YouTubers out there that do content similar to what you are doing, and then see their most viewed videos and model those. If you have no ideas, let's say there's a day you're going to do a video and you have no ideas, or you're kind of blocked, and it happens many times, just go to other YouTubers out there that have similar videos and model those. And you could have multiple users like that, so that way you can come up with many ideas. And there you go. These tips will really help you get more views and engagement on your TikTok videos. It will help you grow, definitely. So there you go. I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, turn it into blue, and hit that subscribe button below so you get notified on my next videos. And if you're tired of your 9 to 5 and you want to do something new, below I'm going to leave a link in the description below of a way you can go and learn through blueprints how to pull it off. The link will be in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Thank you. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. You are amazing. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time.